Welcome to our channel. Today we have a wonderful story that teaches us valuable life lessons. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of the farmer, the rabbit, and the monkey. Once upon a time, there was a farmer living in a village. The farmer loved keeping animals and already had many buffaloes. He sold their milk to run his household. One day, he decided to bring home a rabbit and a monkey.
I think it would be fun to have a rabbit and a monkey as well. They will make great companions for my other animals.
After several days, the farmer decided to play a game with the rabbit and the monkey. He dug many small holes in his field, covered them with soil, and hid a carrot in one of the holes.
I've hidden a carrot in one of these holes. Whoever finds it first will be rewarded.
The rabbit, full of confidence, began digging one hole after another, searching for the carrot.
I will find that carrot. I know I can do it if I just keep digging.
Meanwhile, the monkey, feeling negative and lazy, saw the many holes and decided it was too much trouble.
There are so many holes. Who knows where the carrot could be? It's not worth the effort. I'll just take a nap.
The monkey lay down and slept on top of one of the holes. On the other hand, the rabbit continued to search with all his might.
I've checked so many holes and still haven't found the carrot. There's only one hole left, the one the monkey is sleeping on.
The rabbit approached the monkey and asked him to get up.
Monkey, please get up. I need to check the hole you're sleeping on.
The monkey reluctantly got up, and the rabbit dug in the hole, finding the carrot. The monkey was surprised and regretted his laziness. From this story, we can learn 3 key lessons. First, avoid negative thoughts about your work. The monkey thought the task was impossible and didn't attempt it. Second, always make an effort, as success requires trying. If the monkey had checked the hole he was sleeping on, he would have found the carrot. Lastly, perseverance is crucial. We can't predict when success will come, but we must keep trying with a positive attitude and never give up to achieve it. If you enjoyed this story and want to share its lessons with more people, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories and life lessons. See you in the next video.